In today's video, I'll show you how you can stop Fxsound from starting with Windows. So let's get started. So first of all, if you would want to disable this, is that you would want to go into your taskbar and right click, and from here go into Task Manager. And now you should have it just like this one. Now in here, you want to go into Start Up Apps. So you should find it right here. So click on this icon and you should see this list. You want to find Fxsound, which is right here. Now, you want to make sure that this is disabled. As you can see, the current status of this one is enabled. So I'm going to right click and click on Disable. And now, once it's disabled, it will now not automatically run once your Windows PC is turned on. And this is basically how you do it. Now, if it's still running, even though you have disabled that, then one thing is that you would want to update your Fxsound in here by clicking here and click on Check for Updates. With this, you will now have less errors because Fxsound by default will automatically run. But if you disable it in the Task Manager, it will now not run automatically anymore. And that's how you stop Fxsound from starting with Windows.